You are in a time of great transition. You have recognized, as the veils have shifted, you have recognized other planets in your solar system. It has opened perceptions and awareness to be aware of greater experiences beyond your earth plane. There are many beings in the universe, existing in other planes of reality, existing in other planets, in other ways than you have existed here. And they are joining in, or rather you are joining in, to the vibratory pattern of the higher beings of other planets and other planes. Venus, the vibration of Venus is about love. The vibration of Venus is the school of love, where many beings have gone when they have passed from the Earth experience, when they have passed from the Arcturian experience, the Andromedan experience, the Sirian experience, the Pleiadian experience. Those souls have gone to master love, return to the Earth. Some of you have strong vibrations from your experiences with Venus. We will speak to you about this more in the months to come. You are starting to remember and recognize your connection with other planets in the solar system. You are starting to remember and recognize your connection with other planets outside of your solar system. You are starting to remember and rebirth these energies, these vibration of power. The power is a much more subtle power than the power you have experienced on Earth. And you are tired of that old material power, that old power of overpowering. You are moving away from that. Slavery is no longer happening for the human race. Slavery within the tribes of humans that copied the vibration around them. Slavery to ideas, slavery to beliefs, slavery to religion, slavery to other people who feel they are better, or basically who are fearing themselves and therefore struggling to be superior to other beings. This kind of mentality is bursting apart, like a bubble bursts, like a balloon bursts, like a blister bursts. There are pieces of energy left, like a volcano comes up from the center of the earth and spews hot molten lava and rocks and bits and pieces of the earth that surrounded it. So, there is debris. Whenever there is an explosion of this type, there is debris. The light is swirling within you. The solar system that you are part of is swirling inside your DNA, inside your double helix, inside your 12-strand DNA that is activated fully in some of you and becoming more activated in higher octaves, as well as becoming connected and activated in lower octaves of others. So you're at different levels. Do not think of levels as up and down as the humans measure it. Think of levels as layers. The different layers coming together in a cloud or in, say, a layered vibratory stone such as selenite, all come together, sing together, creating a whole. One is not better than the other. So do not think of the layers as measurement or the octaves of higher or lower as better or worse. Think of them as part of the harmony of the universe, part of the harmony and melody of the universe coming together and creating wholeness. You are coming together in wholeness within your beings. And because of that, bits and pieces of the self are surfacing. Old traumas in your cellular patterns are moving through all human beings. And so your dream times and your fears are rippling. And so you will need to face survival fears. And so you will hear shifting around you. And so you will feel helpless and hopeless at times as you begin to see structures that you had put your faith into, or structures that you had put your belief into, falling apart around you. That is not unusual. Even if your faith is great and you know that all that is coming your way is perfect, that you will be taken care of in divine harmony, you will still have fears and experience the highs and lows of them. Do not override them or push them away. Rather, face them and embrace them. Take them into the garden and look them into the face. This is how the vibration of them is changed. For each one of you that can face fear inside yourself and change that fear, transform it, transmutate it, for each one of you that does that, you are opening the possibility of 5, 10, 20, 30 others being able to do it. Take a moment to breathe in and congratulate yourself for the help that you are giving the planet. Many of you have a deep, abiding drive to help nature, to help animals, to help human beings, to serve in the healing of the planet Earth, to serve in the healing and the consciousness raising of beings that wallow in ignorance and fear. Many of you have that drive inside of you. Know now that you are helping it by facing your own self, by being still, by giving yourself time off.